Hi, this is Liz. Welcome to my channel. For those of you that have subscribed, thank you so much. For those of you that haven't, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe so you can be the first to be notified when I upload a video, which is every Sunday and Wednesday. If you love fashion, a little bit of luxury, and some lifestyle, this is the place for you. Go ahead and subscribe. For today's video, I'm coming to you with two unboxings. If you watched my last video, I took you along with me while I went to purchase a wallet. So I have that item. It's the Zoe wallet in the ballerina pink with the canvas. And I also have my Mother's Day gift from my lovely husband. And I want to share them both with you. Let's go. The first item I'm going to be opening is the wallet. So let's start with wallet first, then we'll go to bag. Okay, if you've watched any of my videos where I talk about what fits in my bags, you will have noticed that I have this little Gucci wallet that I've had forever and ever, and it desperately needed to be updated. So during my last video, I took you with me to the Mall of San Juan and I ordered this wallet because they didn't have it in stock. So let's go ahead and unbox it. This is a pull out little box that it comes with. And this is the tiny little shopping bag. You feel so posh walking around with your brand new item around the mall. So let's see. Now this wallet is called the Zoe Wallet and it comes in at the price of $535 USD. So this is the little dust bag and this is the wallet, the Zoe Wallet. Now you can see it is both a monogram and that pinky color that is called, they call it the rose ballerine. So it's the rose ballerine and the monogram. Now this leather piece here is cowhide leather and the rest of it is monogram. Let me show you the back of the wallet and I'm gonna cut away and give you a little bit more details of this wallet so you can look at it really closely. So if it's something that you're interested in. Now I was interested in a compact wallet. I had brought along this little card case with me during my shopping trip so that I can kind of measure what it would if it was the right size. So I wanted them to be very, very equal in size because that's the size that I was used to fitting into all my mini bags. So I kind of wanted to go with the same size, but I wanted to maybe upgrade it a little. I feel like the canvas is a little bit more durable than that leather. This one has lasted me a while, but it has a lot of different marks on the bottom just from wear and tear. The corners have, you know, really darkened and it looks really tarnished. And I don't know, the G's are no longer the same color. It just looks really bad. It needed to be retired. So I'm glad to have brought this into my collection and I'm gonna cut away and let you see more details. So if this is something that interests you, I want you to take a really good look at it. So I'm gonna cut away and let you look at it. Okay, let's take a look at the Zoe wallet. Now, right here, just immediately looking at the front of the wallet, you see that it has a little gold button closure that says Louis Vuitton on it. The Zoe wallet is both rose ballerine and monogram and it retails for $535. Now if you turn it around right here, there's a little pocket which actually has a little, I think, item number. If you want to order this wallet, this is the item number. So that right here is a perfect little place if you want to just fold up some quick cash and throw it in there. So that's the back pocket. When you turn it around in the front, let's open it up so you can get a good look. So if this is a wallet that you're interested in, you can totally see exactly what it looks like before you go ahead and purchase. It also comes in a fuchsia color. It's offered in two colors. This is cowhide leather. And let's take a look inside. Now, when I was reading the description of this wallet, it says that it has 5 card slots. Like immediately looking at it, I only see 4. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, but I guess the 5th might be considered this in the back, this piece here. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you open it here, and this is where you would place your cash inside. And then over here would be where you would keep your coins. So it is a really compact wallet, exactly what I needed. If you look really closely here, it says Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. This is the perfect type of wallet that I need for all my mini bags. I'm able to bring coins. I'm able to bring cash. I'm able to bring my debit cards. all in this small little compact wallet. So that is the Zoe wallet. The next item I want to unbox with you is my Mother's Day gift. Now, truth be told, I've already unboxed this, but I wanted to give you the full unboxing experience. So this is the package, the bag that it comes in, and I put it right back in its box just so that you can get the full experience of unboxing it with me. For those of you that don't know, I am a mother of two. I have a 19-year-old and a 16-year-old, and this was gifted to me on Mother's Day by my husband. So let's go ahead and open it. It always comes with this beautiful ribbon. They tie it a little bit nicer than I do. This is the box, and this is how this box opens. And let me show you what is my new baby in my handbag collection. And it is, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. It is this beautiful mini in the gold epi leather. Guys, this is so my style, right up my alley. I love mini bags. I love gold. It's just something that every time I would walk into the Louis Vuitton store, I would grab and try it on and look in the mirror. So I think my husband took a little hint there, and when it was Mother's Day, he picked this one up for me. Now, this one is retailing at $3,700, and like I said, it's the epi leather and it's the mini size. It's the mini twist. Now I'm going to again cut away, and I'm going to show you a little bit closely more details on this bag. So let's go. Okay, so I want to show you a little bit closer detail of the twist, the mini twist, and the epi metallic. And I mentioned before it retails for $3,700. Okay, let's look at the signature LV twist turn lock. It is gold hardware, and let's take a look inside. As you can see, it has this beautiful soft microfiber, it looks like micro suede lining, sorry. It comes with this little mirror. I haven't peeled off the plastic yet, but all twist bags have that little mirror detail that it comes with. Okay, the most important thing that everybody's always curious about when you purchase a mini bag is a phone going to fit. Now this is the iPhone 11, and as you can see, you can fit that easily. I'm going to use my old card case just for this example. And you can see that it fits in perfectly. I have here a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. I'm going to fit that in as well. So far, we still have space. And the last thing that I would bring with me, of course, would be my key clay. Now, the one more item that I would fit in here would be something that would be easy, and it would be my face mask. So as you can see, everything fits perfectly. These are all the things that I bring with me. I'm not one that brings a ton of things with me, so this is a perfect size for me. Like I said, I would just add an additional face mask. And you see here, turn it, and nothing needed to be pushed together. There was no playing of Tetris. Everything fit perfectly in there. Let me go ahead and show you again what was in there. An iPhone 11, a card case, my key clay for my car, and a little lipstick. Okay, so that all fits nicely in there. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the strap. It's not detachable, but it can be worn both crossbody or on the shoulder. Now look at the strap here. It also has the epi leather here. It has this Louis Vuitton Paris written here in this piece. Let's see if you can see that. Now this has a drop. If you wear it the longest way possible, just like this, the drop is going to be 20.1 inches. But if you wear it on your shoulder, it comes to 10.6 inches. Let me tell you a little bit of the measurements of the bag. This measures across the length of the bag is 6.1. The height of this bag is going to be 4.9. And the width of this bag is going to be 2.8. Look at that beautiful wave detail. I love that. All of the twist bags have that. This is my second twist bag, my first mini one. The other one I have is in an and it's the black epi leather. But I am so excited to start using this bag. It is beautiful, and I totally see myself wearing this for many, many years to come. Let's go to the mod shots. For reference, I'm 5'2", 100 pounds, and I will be showing it to you both on my shoulder and crossbody. So if this is a bag that interests you, if you're more or less my height, you can tell more or less where it would work on your body frame. I'm very short-waisted, so I don't know if that's something else to consider when deciding on a bag. So let's go. This far in my video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know which one out of the 2 items I unboxed today was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.